So, me and my mom are gonna be making bread. The ingredients we need is 1 cup whole milk, 1/3 cup of sugar, 1 packet activity dry yeast, 4 ounces, 1 stick unsalted butter, melted, 4 large eggs divided, 5 cups all-purpose or bread, flour plus more dusting, 1.5 teaspoons kosher salt, vegetable oil for greasing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the milk and sugar in a bowl of a mixer. Whisk the milk and sugar. Sprinkle the yeast on top and let stand until foamy. 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to pour in the milk. And now the sugar. And now I'm going to mix it. Mixing the sugar and the milk together, and look at what it made. It's so foamy now. Now I'm going to pour in the yeast. Now we're going to leave it to rest for 10 minutes. So I'm going to put on my timer. So guys, while we wait, we're going to get the other ingredients ready. So we're gonna get our 5 cups of flour and 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 4 eggs. We're going to get them ready. So we're gonna start with the flour. So we're going to pour in 5 cups, and this is the first one. So that means 4 more cups. There. Got it. Oh, I got a shell in there. Gotta take it out. My legs are so icky. Not my legs, but my hands are so icky. Oh my god, it's so cold. Don't forget to melt your butter. So now I'm going to take some salt. I like how it just soaks in. So now I'm going to gently whisk the thing with the salt. Now I'm going to add the butter. And now I'm going to add the eggs. Oh my god, this is so nice. We're going to put in the flour. So my mom is going to take over for the flour. add some vegetable oil on the dough, and then we're going to let it sit for an hour and a half. And let it sit for an hour and a half. Hi guys, so we're back. So I'm going to break out 2 small pieces. So I'm going to use the rolling pin to roll it out, just like Brandy. This actually looks like a rolling pin. It's